Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. My coffee. I'm here. I'm all ready for you. Happy Friday, everyone. I'm Sarah from Chic.chalkinganddesign, and thanks so much for coming back to my channel. This is my weekly vlog where I get you up to date on everything that's happened this week and give you a little sneak peek into what's happening in the week ahead. So thanks so much for being here. If this is your first time, please make sure to drop a comment down below and say hi. Let me know where you're watching from, where you found me, all of that fun stuff. I love to interact with people in the comments, so please make sure to do that. And if this isn't your first time, thanks so much for coming back. I appreciate each and every one of you. I can't wait to tell you all of the things that I have been up to this week. It's been a doozy. So first things first, Wednesday was Addison's birthday. And of course, it was a huge deal. She turned 10, double digits, a huge birthday for her. And she was so excited. She had such a fabulous day. We celebrated. We ate all the foods that she wanted to eat. We made the cake that she wanted to make, and we did a live. And she actually did the live on Wednesday night. That's what she wanted to do. So she crafted a project live on our Facebook channel. I will link that here for you if you want to go back and check that out. She did a great job. She actually made a Halloween kit that is still available and will ship in time if you have kiddos or you want to make one for yourself. They are super adorable and would make great decor pieces. So I will make sure to link to that directly if you wanted to shop direct. The link will be in the description. But yeah, it was a great week for birthday surprises. I also had the opportunity to do two private workshops this week, which is lots of fun. One in a customer's home. So I went and did the project with her, and she was so pleased. She'd had such a terrible day, and we turned it around. We craft therapied the nonsense out of that, and she was feeling so much better when I left, and that was fabulous. It's so great to see people craft and to see the effects, the positive effects that it has on people when they craft. And the second one was so amazing. It was so fulfilling for me. First of all, I transformed our basement space. It's still a work in progress, but I will show you some of what that looks like. And I brought in three people, a family of three, two children and their mother. They're adult children, and they wanted to make custom t-shirts to commemorate the death of a special friend. And they are wearing these t-shirts in a walk to remember this friend who died. And it was just so heartfelt to listen to the stories. They didn't realize that they were sharing all this with me. It was just through conversation, but they each created their own shirt that sparked memories for them. All shirts look very similar, but all shirts are different in that special way that has meaning to them. And it was so wonderful to listen to them tell those stories. It really was a fabulous day. We spent 3 hours creating custom shirts in my basement, and I have never been happier. It was absolutely amazing. So that little basement workshop session really got us to thinking about how we could use that space here in our home to offer more workshops, whether they're small groups, whether they are groups of people who don't know each other, where we just sort of advertise that we're running a workshop. Obviously they're safe. We have space to distance people out, but we've been really struggling. Workshops are a fabulous way to connect and create with people, but we're struggling right now in finding locations to be able to do that. So I think we've made the decision that we're going to do this in the basement. So that's a big part of what's going to come up next week, is how I'm going to transform that space into something that's warm and inviting and gets those creative juices flowing. So I'm excited for that. Stay tuned for more of that to come. So I shared a new recipe this week, and that went over really well. The kids loved it, and so did I. So if you are looking for the details on that, I will link that video as well here in the cards, so you can just click on over and watch it. It was super easy to make, not difficult ingredients to find. I've also, one of you commented, and thank you so much for the comments, to perhaps leave some information on where I get my ingredients. And I absolutely am happy to do that. So I've gone ahead and linked the ingredients where I get them in the description of that muffin recipe. I just did a keto muffin recipe this week, and I shared that with you. So it is there for you to watch. And if you're curious on where I get my ingredients, where I find the best deals on those ingredients, those are always in the description. So you can check those out as well. And another huge thing that's happening this week is, or that happened this week, is I started my 7-day keto challenge, where I'm really dialing in and measuring and tracking and weighing. I let things slip just a little bit. I still don't eat flour, sugar, or any of those things. I don't eat junk food. I don't eat takeout. I don't eat any of those things. But it's still easy to slip on on keto ingredients as well. So I really honed it in to set myself up for the challenge that's happening next week. So if you're watching this on Friday, I am starting the triple threat keto challenge, which includes drinking ketones and some extended fasting. And I did an unboxing video, which I will also link here for you to go and see, and explained all of the different things that came in those boxes and the steps I'm going to take. And I am so excited. Like, this is going to set us up for some solid habits moving into the most temptation time of year that there is. For me, once October hits, it's like full speed ahead to Christmas, and we will be tempted at every turn. So if I have those healthy habits set in stone, then I won't be as tempted, and I know I will be much more successful, and I will feel so much better. This is about health and how I feel. And it has always been that way for me. So that is my journey, and I'm excited to bring you along and show you some of the things that I try and learn, because this is all new for me. So I'm excited to share that with you. We also stuck with our schedule this week of 4 lives, 2 Facebook, 2 YouTube, and that seemed to work really well. I think it's giving me a little bit more time to do things and work on things that need to be done behind the scenes. So I think we're going to go with that again next week. I will release the schedule in the Facebook group. So if you're looking for that, that's where that is. And the Facebook group is linked in the description of this video. I would love it if you came and join us there. We do lots of fun things there. Tonight, if you are watching this and you happen to be able to catch it, well, the replay is always available. But tonight we're doing this fun game where everybody is going to punch a cup. And I'm going to do it live, and the kids are going to help me, and they've got all these prizes to give away. So I'm excited for that. And we do all sorts of fun things like that over in the VIP group. I post inspirational pictures for design. And I do different projects there. So if you're following me here on YouTube, I would love it if you came and followed in the Facebook group as well. The link to join is down in the description of this video. This week we released our Advent calendar workshop, which is so cute. You have to see it. I'll put a picture here. And it's just adorable, and it's going to be so simple to make. So I'm doing that as a virtual class and as a in-person class. And the schedule is in the Facebook group, or you can arrange a private class for me. My schedule is filling up, but I do have some spaces left. So if you're interested, please leave a comment and I will reach out and we will get something organized for you. I have 1 or 2 other Christmassy, wintry workshops that are coming up. I'll release those next week, and you'll be able to see what those projects look like. So super exciting for that. And moving into next week, it's our Thanksgiving this weekend. So we're going to celebrate with family and friends. We are taking a trip with family, provided that the weather holds, to be with my brother and his family in their property, which is northeast of here. And we'll spend a full day with them celebrating, which is always so much fun. And we'll see who else we get to connect with and celebrate with. But we certainly will be taking some downtime this weekend to just rest and relax and reflect and celebrate and be thankful and grateful for one another and for all the things that we have. But moving into next week, we will do 4 lives again, 2 on Facebook and 2 on YouTube. So 4 brand new projects. I am going to do a Christmas project next week. It feels a little early to me, but I think people are gunning for Christmas stuff. So I'm going to experiment. We'll do 1 Christmas project next week, and I can't wait to show you. So if you are not following me here, please make sure you have liked, subscribed, and hit that notification bell so that when I do go live here on YouTube, you get a notification and you can come and watch. I always save those lives so you can go back and watch them afterwards, but make sure you leave me a comment so that I know that you were here. And that brings me to our final thing, which is our contest. We are wrapping up our comment contest, and it's actually going to end on Saturday. So if you're watching this, today is Friday, October the 8th. Contest is going to close on Saturday, October the 9th, and I will announce all of the winners. And it's easy. All you have to do is subscribe and comment. Comment on as many videos as I have here on my channel, and every comment gets you an entry into the draw, but you have to be subscribed. So come back to this video and say, I'm subscribed, and I will make sure that you get into that draw. I have some amazing things to give away, some crafty things, some supplies, and you're going to want to make sure that you're in on that draw. Other thing exciting that happened with a little bit of a basement cleanup and opening up some space down there meant that I felt like I had some space to get back to my in-home workouts. And I'm really excited for that. I'll drop you some video here. Felt a little awkward, I'm not gonna lie. And I'm not new to workouts in the gym or at home, but the first workout back felt a little weird. But it got that momentum moving, and that's all I needed. And the reason I share this with you is because I hear over and over and over again from you, my viewers, and from my subscribers here on YouTube and on Facebook that you want to hear. It motivates you to hear about my journey. So that's why I'm sharing more about my health journey and our life here at home. You guys are interested, so I continue to share that, and I thank you for the positive and kind comments that you leave for us. But the first workout in the basement left me a little sore. I probably pushed it a little too much, but it gave me that momentum and that drive to do it again, and that's all you need. It's not about willpower. It's about momentum and discipline. A very wise woman who trained me years ago made it very clear to me that it's not about willpower. It's discipline. And no, it's not fun. And no, you don't like to do it, but you know you need to do it for your health. So you need to be disciplined enough to make the decision, make the choice to get up and do it every day. Regardless of how you're feeling, you know you will feel better on the other side. So I connected with an old friend this week, and we've been walking every morning, and that feels great. And then I tossed in some basement workouts where my body felt like it could do it, 2 or 3 this week. So I'm pretty proud of myself that we're headed in the right direction and I'm moving, and it's all about my health and setting a healthy example for my girls. So that makes me happy, and I'm going to continue to share with that because I'm hearing that you guys want to hear more about it. So I will continue to share. So I think that's it for me today. It's been a busy week. We had lots of excitement, and certainly we're gonna rest and relax this weekend, but we do have a little bit of excitement there. I will try and shoot some footage so you can see what we're experiencing over our Canadian Thanksgiving weekend. If you are celebrating with family and friends this weekend, enjoy, relax, take some time to just get some downtime, read a book, take a nap, do whatever you got to do to recharge your batteries. It's really important. And above all else, stay safe and be well and enjoy your time with family. Next week, there's a bunch of new things coming, so I can't wait to share that with you along the way. If you are not already, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving me a comment, letting me know that you're here and you're subscribed. That certainly helps support us as a small business. And don't forget to ring the bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And leave us a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Tell me your name and where you're from and where you found me, and why you're watching. That would all be fabulous, and we can interact in the comments. All right, take care, everyone. Stay safe and be well. Happy Thanksgiving, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.